Russian Buk-M3 air defense system spotted in Alabama. The United States military has been observed transporting a detailed mock-up of the Russian Buk-M3 air defense system in Alabama, according to images recently circulated online. The replica, mounted on a semi-trailer rather than a self-propelled chassis, appears to be a training asset used to simulate modern Russian surface-to-air missile systems during military exercises. Military forces frequently use such replicas to replicate adversary systems during exercises, allowing pilots and ground units to train against realistic visual targets. The Buk-M3, known in export form as Viking, is the newest generation of the Soviet-designed Buk family of medium-range air defense systems. The system entered Russian service around 2016 and incorporates updated electronics along with the 9M317M surface-to-air missile. Compared with earlier versions of the Buk system, the Buk-M3 features several structural and technical changes. Earlier variants, such as the Buk-M2, carried 4 missiles mounted externally on the launcher. The newer Buk-M3 uses sealed transport launch containers and carries 6 ready-to-launch missiles, increasing the launcher's engagement capacity. According to the U.S. Army's Training and Doctrine Command (TRADOC) manual, the Buk-M3 provides improved performance compared with earlier Buk variants and outperforms even the old S-300P long-range air defense system, known in NATO terminology as the SA-10. The system is designed to engage a range of aerial threats including aircraft, cruise missiles, and other airborne targets. Russian technical descriptions state the Buk-M3 can intercept targets flying at speeds of up to 3 kilometers per second. The system's engagement envelope is reported to extend from 2.5 kilometers to 70 kilometers, with interception altitudes ranging from 15 meters to 35 kilometers. These parameters allow the system to engage both low-flying cruise missiles and high-altitude aircraft. The launcher also incorporates a television thermal imaging targeting system capable of detecting, capturing, and passively tracking aerial targets automatically in both daytime and nighttime conditions. According to publicly available specifications, the probability of destroying a non-maneuvering aerial target with a single missile can reach 0.9999, while the probability of intercepting a cruise missile is estimated at approximately 0.8. The replica observed in Alabama does not appear to be an operational system. Instead, it resembles a high-fidelity mock-up designed to replicate the appearance of the Buk-M3 launcher for training purposes. The United States military has long used both captured equipment and detailed replicas of foreign weapons systems to train personnel. In some cases, actual Soviet-era air defense systems were acquired for testing and evaluation. When operational systems are not available, realistic mock-ups are built to allow pilots and ground forces to practice identifying and engaging adversary equipment. Such replicas can be used during live-fire exercises, sensor testing, and tactical training scenarios. Aircraft equipped with targeting pods, radar, and electro-optical sensors can practice detecting and tracking these simulated systems during missions. Because the replica is mounted on a semi-trailer rather than a tracked combat vehicle, it can be transported more easily between training ranges. This approach allows training units to position the system in different locations to simulate realistic battlefield conditions. The Buk-M3 system has also drawn attention during the ongoing war in Ukraine. According to open-source battlefield monitoring, Ukrainian forces have destroyed around 20 vehicles belonging to Buk-M3 air defense units since the start of the full-scale conflict. These losses reportedly include multiple elements of the system such as the 9S36M fire control radar, the 9S18M1 surveillance radar, and the 9A317M transporter erector launcher and radar vehicles. Training against systems such as the Buk-M3 therefore remains an important part of preparing air crews and strike planners for operations in environments defended by modern surface-to-air missile networks. Russian air defense architecture relies on layered systems combining long-range, medium-range, and short-range interceptors. The Buk family serves as the medium-range element within that structure, providing protection against aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. For defense planners, understanding how these systems appear and operate is essential when preparing forces for potential conflict scenarios.